All right. Well, first we need to get some gas. Then we'll go ride. That sucks. This was called a dead bike. But there's a fix.
Two hours later.
Hey everyone, this is Rob from Intended Consequences. On this episode of Pursue the Ride, I'm going to talk about kind of how the channel's going to go for the next couple of weeks and solicit you guys for some ideas, and then I'll just probably randomly muse about some things, and that'll be it. So it's kind of a free ride. Hit the graphic. Alright guys, first things first, I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. I am filming this on Sunday before Christmas. So yeah, we were lucky it got a little warm and we had a little bit of rain, but not a whole lot, and it stayed warm enough to get a ride in. So that's what I'm doing now. So Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope you guys are all safe. I hope you are able to spend time with your families and friends and reconnect and give the gift of giving, which is a very rewarding experience in of itself. And so this video is my gift to y'all. I hope you're not too disappointed in it. It's you can't really trade it in for anything, but it's what I got, so it's what I'm gonna do. I'm doing this video for this week. Next week I won't have a video, so please just look at old videos if you just get bored. If not, there's some great YouTubers out there still putting down great content during the holidays, which I encourage you all to look up. I have a video on that, so be sure to check that out if you want to know who I'm watching during this holiday season. I don't know about y'all, but I am really glad that 2020 is coming to an end. I just, boy, when you start thinking about how the year started a year ago and up till now, just how far we've come between all of the shenanigans with the virus, and then all the other things, murder hornets and fires and floods and oh goodness, everything, right? And then that takes us into the election season, and that's still ongoing to a certain degree. So we have that going for us, and now we have the vaccine, but people have differing opinions on the vaccine. Here at Pursue the Ride, we believe that health is important. We believe that safety is important, but I can certainly also understand certain misgivings on a product that is by all outlooks been rushed. And when you start talking about putting things in your body, I can understand why people might have some concerns. But we want you to be safe, guys. If you decide that you just aren't sure about the vaccine, then that's your choice. So while a vaccine might be all well and good for my family, it might not be well and good for yours. So that's where we're at in Pursue the Ride. I realize that's a very gray zone, but we're a motorcycle channel. We're not a tell you what to do with your bodies and your lives kind of channel. You know, you want to hear me drone on and on about being safe on a motorcycle, then you've come to the right place. If you want a great in-depth analysis on the COVID-19 vaccine, well, let's just say you probably shouldn't be doing any research on YouTube to begin with, but if you're here and that's what you're looking for, you're not going to find it here on this playlist. So let's talk about the future for a little bit. we're at Pursue the Ride. We have videos lined up. We have ideas and topics lined up. We are not going to stop producing content anytime soon. But what we don't have at the moment, and I've kind of been soliciting for since day one, is your input. Right? I don't, the first season, if you will, was a lot of my kids' questions, and I answered those to the best of my abilities, but now those have kind of been exhausted for the most part, and we're just kind of free-flying on our own. So if you have a topic that you would like to see addressed or looked at, let us know. Hit us up in the comments below or on our Facebook page, either or, and just say, hey, what about a video on this or that? And we'll make it happen. That's too easy. We appreciate the feedback we do get on our videos already. Every comment is definitely read. I try to respond to them in a timely manner. Sometimes it takes a little while, but I do try. We're small, admittedly small, but that's nice. It's nice because you have a voice. You want to comment? We're going to see those comments. There's some channels that get hundreds of comments a day, and who can respond to all those? I don't think I could. But we're small enough that we can be involved, that we can be engaged, and we want you to be engaged. Please, if you have an idea for a video, share it below. If you think of one later, go back to our Facebook page and just post on our wall. Say, hey, how about this as an idea for a video? As for the rest of the future of Pursue the Ride, well, like I said, I'm in the military, and in the military, when they decide that you are going to move, they do it in cycles, right? So usually every 3 years or so, a person moves, and they're either a winter mover or a summer mover, most likely. And I'm bringing this up because this summer is our summer to move. We don't know where yet. Matter of fact, I'm expecting to get that news any day now. We don't know where we're going to have to move, but it seems pretty certain that this summer we'll be moving, which will obviously affect the channel. But the good thing that comes out of it is wherever we move to, I mean, that's a whole nother set of roads. That's a whole nother set of an area to ride that brings us in contact with more people, more opportunities. So it's a good thing. I appreciate getting a change of pace a little bit and seeing some new things. We're gonna move at some point. We'll launch that video. We'll do that announcement when it comes. Again, not entirely sure when, but it's definitely gonna be something we want to keep you guys in the loop about. Because if you're watching one day and we're in southwest Georgia, and then the next time you watch, I'm driving around on the Autobahn, that would be pretty awesome. But we'll see. I don't know. And we'll keep you informed. I really hope this audio is working out. I made some adjustments, so we'll see how that turns out. I hope it's at least usable. It might sound different. I might have to tweak it a lot. But the idea is to have the best quality audio I can provide within a budget. You guys let me know. How's the audio quality? What do you think? So that's basically it, guys. Nice quick ride. Again, we will be off for the holidays to visit family and friends. Not a whole lot of time to work on YouTube videos, but we will be back. Again, Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Be safe, guys. Keep the rubber side down. I will see you next time.